Good afternoon. This is Friday, August the 21st. Today in geometry, we looked at angles. So we will go and share the screen with the whiteboard and talk about the things that we covered with angles. When you have an angle is made up of two what we call rays. We start an angle here. Let's say we draw this side of the angle, and then we come back and we draw a second side of the angle down here like this. Okay, now, when we label the angle with 3 dots. So this dot right here, we'll get that dot. This dot right here is what we call the vertex, and then we'll get a dot down here. So if we label these dots, like this dot here will be dot A, and then down here we can let this dot be dot C, and over here we'll let this dot be dot B. This is dot B. So now we can talk about this angle. This is angle ABC. The middle letter, when you write an angle, the middle letter is always the vertex. This right here, at this point right here. B is what we call the vertex. That's the middle letter of the angle. The sides here, this BA is a side. This is a side. And then down here is also a side. Now, these sides are labeled, this is what we call a ray. So if I look at a ray, the way I talk about a ray is if we come here, this is going to be ray BA. So we have B and we have A. And on top of them, we put a line with an arrow at the right end in this case, because what that tells us, ray BA starts at B and goes on and on forever through A. So it's like a sunbeam ray. It comes from the sun and it goes on and on forever. Okay, so this down here would be ray BC. So we can put ray BC. So that would be BC with a ray like that. Now, when we have an angle like this area right in here, this area in here is what's called the interior of the angle. And then, hang on just a second, let me see.